Barely started now and already surprised by a huge wave. Oh, barely started now and already surprised by a huge wave coming here and making my backpack all wet. So I guess I need to find a farther place than that. Hopefully it's gonna be here. I almost caught my cameras now, so I was really close. So I guess I have to put this one a little bit up there if I want to do some time lapse and then venture myself closer to that place. Yeah, seascape photography, everyone. Full of surprises, right? That's why it's fun. Now let's go back to it. That was fun. More of this. I found a location actually. It's this place here. And for now I have all of my gear set up behind me. And soon I'm gonna go there to photograph a little bit. The sea is quite agitated. Woke up with on the wrong side of bed today. So I have to take some care because the waves are really strong and I don't want to be, hit by them, and because the water is coming really close. So besides the equipment, I also have to take care for my safety, right? But it's looking fantastic and the clouds are looking like it's going to be a very beautiful sunset. So hopefully I get the colors that I've been waiting for so long. And because in the past few days, I have to say that things were not so nice, and it's clearing up a little bit behind me. But on the other side, here to the mountains, it's quite cloudy. So hopefully it either stays this way or gets a little bit more colors on the horizon, because it's looking, I don't know if this camera can catch it, but it's looking fantastic. And the sea is also like very nicely agitated, but it is quite dangerous. So I will keep my distance and try to find a composition, and then yeah, let's see what I can get. I'm feeling pumped for today. Yeah. Oh, a rainbow. Nice. Yeah, so feeling pumped for today. Let's do this. Whoa! Wow, this is really fantastic. Oh, very close to the camera. Too close for comfort. Close, 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 close. I might have to move out from here soon. This location here, I might speak a little bit faster just to make sure that I'm catching everything on video. As you can see, it makes an S here, from here, over here until the horizon, with the mountain and with the rocks here. This is very nice because it's basically a natural S towards the horizon with the mountains that are pointing to where the colors are popping up with the rocks in the background. Of course, the white of the waves accentuates this curve towards the horizon, and man, like, it's just so beautiful here. The conditions are perfect. Nothing else to ask. Like, it started raining a little bit. It's raining here on the background. It started raining a bit, but I waited a little bit more just to make sure that I wouldn't lose everything. But it's just fantastic, this place. So yeah, let me tell you about the camera settings, right? I'm around 20 millimeters, f/16 just to get the water streaks, and ISO 100, and just firing shots just to see what I can get. It's still challenging to shoot here, and as you can imagine, and as you saw from the video, there's so much to think about. The water comes from so many different directions that it's difficult for you to actually know what to expect. When the water splashes in the front, it can... so yeah, as you can imagine, when the water splashes from the front, the water comes straight to me and to the camera, and then there is the strength of the waves and the frequency of the waves that you have to take care of it. And as you've seen in other videos, like, I try to have an escape route to where to run when the waves come, because I always keep an eye on the horizon, how the waves are, how high are they coming, right? And yes, it's not as peaceful as when I go to the forest, or when you have more of a distance, or when the tide is calmer. But it's so pretty that it's so much worth, because it's so pretty. To add to the confusion, juggling, talking to the camera, two cameras, one doing a time lapse and I'm taking photographs. Yeah, it can be a little bit too much sometimes. So forgive me if it's a little bit disorganized, but the result, it's what matters, right? The photos is what really matters. And I came here for the photos, and I think you guys are going to forgive me if I do less of a vlogging and then show some of the stuff after. I tried to use my drone though, and the little thing really didn't want to fly, and the app just kept on crashing, and I just like, forget it. And I didn't want to spend more time trying to fix it, trying to find out what was the problem, and just come here and concentrate on the photograph, because I didn't have conditions like this for the past few days. For the past week, actually. I've been going out every morning, every night, and nothing. Not even worth to film anything, because it was just either no clouds whatsoever or too many clouds, and you know. But today it has been glorious. Can't complain. So I think you can see the colors are already going out in the background. And in the foreground they're starting to vanish as well, so I might stay a little bit longer for some blue hour, but I think soon it's time to wrap this up and go home. It's a shame that golden hour is 1 hour, right? It should be golden night. Oh my God! Nice, nice. Anyway, let me get working here and see if I can find something else. Otherwise, I might wrap it up for the day.